I have an Ariens 20 horsepower 42-inch deck, and it's not starting. I'll show you what it's doing. So, when you look under the hood, you will see a cowling. When you take off this cowling, you have to take off 4 bolts. There are 4 bolts, and you have to loosen the air filter, take out the oil dipstick, and take this cowling off. I took these off just so to make it easier. And you will see that the Bendix is up here in the flywheel, and it should not be there. This should be dropped down. Now, this was happening earlier, so I took off the took off the starter, greased it up, and it seemed to work, but then it still would not turn over. And if I do this, see that it's still not turning over. So this is a compression lock where there's too much compression in the engine. And what you need to do, get this Bendix to drop down again, but turn the flywheel until the pressure is released out of the cylinder. See how freely it's spinning? Then it's going to come up to this hard stop again. So you just spin it through its cycle until it hits to, where it gets to where it's going to go into that cycle again. And now it should turn over. So it will turn over, I promise. So if you're having an issue with your mower not starting, that's probably what it is. Just take off that cowling, drop that Bendix down, and make sure that the compression, that the starter can overcome the compression, and it should start up for you. I think what I may do is replace the starter and see if that helps. I think my starter might be getting weak, so I'm going to give that a try. And I will try to update this video once I have tried that. But that's not going to be until the spring, because I'm not going to, as you can tell, it's fall, and I'm not going to spend the time or the money replacing a starter when it's not going to get used throughout the winter. So hope this helps.